Hello everyone, welcome back. So many of my viewers and subscribers were asking about the incident that happened a few days back on 19th of July, and this was actually a major, I will say, downtime for aviation, stock markets, and even for some other industries where this software called Falcon is being used. And this happened early morning on July 19th between 4:09 and between 5:27 UTC. This was because of one update that was published to this Falcon antivirus, and the company who has built this is CrowdStrike. So the software is actually called as Falcon, and this is endpoint security products, and it is broadly called as EDR, that is endpoint detection and response. So this is next generation EDR antivirus software developed by CrowdStrike. So basically, this is a kind of antivirus, and it is used specifically for endpoint protection. So, like if there are any anomalies, any kind of strange behavior coming in into the endpoint accesses, then it immediately send the real-time response. So if we talk about endpoint, then endpoint is referred to as the devices or set of devices that connect to the application over the internet network or even a personal network. Or maybe if briefly I say, then all type of mobiles, laptops, your servers, your iPads, which you are trying to connect to certain applications running remotely or in your own application servers within local networks, all those are termed as the endpoints. So all these devices are endpoints: mobiles, telephones, servers, etc. So what Falcon is this is developed by a renowned company named as CloudStrike, and this is next generation endpoint protection antivirus, and it can detect real time threats, simplifying management and proactively do the threat hunting and unleash the unmatched protection of CrowdStrike. Same information you can also find on the CrowdStrike, and it anticipate and adapt to advanced threats and safeguard your business round the clock for both known and unknown malware, even when you are offline. So this is what is a bit of definition about the Falcon antivirus. So now, what exactly happened? What was the issue? So on 19th July, early morning, CrowdStrike released a sensor configuration. So sensor configuration, it was a kind of bug fix. Like there was usually in software development or software life cycle, there are always some bugs reported, and then time to time, development teams or developers, they used to build those bug fixes, and then we deploy those across different environments. So usually that deployment process starts from development, then it goes to next sandbox environment, then it goes to UAT environment, and then finally it goes to production environment. So that is the sort of 3, 4, or 5 phases depending upon the kind of application or criticality that you are dealing with. So same way, CrowdStrike also just released kind of software update, a bug fix. So as I just explained, these sensor configuration updates are an ongoing going part of production mechanism, because this is continuous development, as I just explained. But like what happened soon after, the endpoints or the machines or the terminals which were using this antivirus software, they started experiencing blue screen of death. So BSOD is called as blue screen of death. So this is very renowned error that we have seen with Microsoft products, specifically Microsoft operating systems or device which are using Microsoft OS. So the example given here in the down. So this was actually the error. And then what is the lesson learned out of this severe and quite a huge outage that we have had in this year? We can say that in the era of artificial intelligence, machine learning, continuous integration, continuous deployment, such incidents are uncommon. Of course, these are uncommon. Why? Because now we always do check releases, we do deployments with certain procedures and processes and a lot of code checks. Like it is deployed by developers in development environment, then it is going to your sandbox or test environments, then this is being tested thoroughly under UAT environments where user acceptance testing is done, and once everything is confirmed, then only this is deployed to the production environment. So I'm really surprised that what could have been wrong during this testing phases that are, of course, such a big company is always following. So maybe there was something that was not followed up, as a process or what exactly happened, we don't know, and I can also not comment, but like I'm just thinking of few questions. Maybe in coming days we will come to know. But these questions are: bug fix was not tested under development or test environments. Was there no user acceptance testing performed? What was the role of CI/CD and software testing? So, of course, on such a big scale company, such a big scale product, or not only to talk about this product here, but any product which is being utilized by thousands of subscribers across globe, then the CI/CD software testing are the must implemented tools for this process. Same way, how come a product owner? The product owner is the one who's responsible for the development and rollout of any piece of software for any organization or for end users. So, how come a product owner approved the deployment without looking into the test case statements, which would have been maybe raised during this development or UAT phases? So these are still open questions, and I'm really curiously looking forward to have this root cause analysis completed by CrowdStrike. Once CrowdStrike has more information, I think I will also keep you all up to date here. So this video was just a short overview to share a bit of information about this incident that was really unfortunate because it impacted a lot of users, and of course, a big companies. Reputation is also on stake with such incidents, but we are living in IT world and things sometimes happens, so we should not take it and keep blowing now CrowdStrike, or just keep blaming them. Sometime it happens. There are so many such incidents which sometime happens even if we do not wish to have. So just do not blame anyone here, but maybe it's important that we take some lesson from this incident and we can try to avoid such incidents in future. So thank you very much for listening to this small overview, and I look forward to see you all in my next video. Thanks.